Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to complete this lesson, that is lesson number 9 about your HTML. Okay, so quickly we will be doing remaining tags. Okay, first I have opened the structure which you have saved in your computer. You have this file structure.html. What we have to write in this file? First we have written HTML, then head tag, title, my title bar. Okay, now in this my title bar I am going to change my title, like I am going to work on your top margins and left margins of web page. Okay, so in this file we are going to learn about your top margins and left margin of your web page. Okay, now which tag is used to adjust your top margin and left margin? First I am going to show you the result without the margins. Okay, suppose I am going to write something here, like I am going to write with the h1 tag, that is heading 1, and I am writing here say for example computer science. Okay, and then slash h1. This is my tag which I have used. Okay, one more thing we are going to apply here. We are going to apply here center tag and going to close this center tag before h1. Now we are going to save the file, like save as. Where we are going to save? So in the document only. Instead of now a structure, we are going to try top margin dot html. Okay, what we have to do? All files, then only you can save it in html. Okay, and then clicking on save. Quickly we are going to open the file to see the changes. So I am going to open the my document. File will be there. See, this is your file. Right click on it, open with. I am going to open with Firefox. Now my file shows computer science in the center. Now I want to give marginal space in your website, that is your top margin and the left margin. So first I am going to show you top margin. Okay, so again we are going to open Notepad. To set the top margin and left margin, we have to click on this body tag, and inside the body tag attribute is there, that is top margin. I have written here top margin without a space is equals to, suppose I am going to write here 72. Now what is this 72? 72 is your pixel. Okay, and here 72 pixels is equals to 1 inch. Okay, what happened? क्या होता है यहाँ? 72 pixels is equals to 1 inch, means your margin is your 1 inch. Now you will be getting the top space 1 inch. So I have written here 72. According to that, if you want to adjust according to that like 2 inches, so what you have to do? You have to set it at 144. Okay, so this is the attribute of body tag. How to set margins with the attributes of body tag? What you have to write? Body, then top margin is equals to double quotation marks के अंदर you have to write the number. I am going to save my file. Okay, going to open the Firefox and reload it. What happened? This margin of 1 inches will be left here. Okay, so you have to remember which value, 72 pixels is equals to 1 inch. Okay, now again I am going to click on the notepad. Okay, and now I am going to give you the left margin. Now for left margin, first we have to type something here so that you can see the left margin will be left. Okay, so I am going to write here H2. Okay, I am learning HTML tags. Tags are of two types. Okay. Number one, I am writing here number one. Now to change the line, what I have to do? BR. Very good. Okay, so BR means changing line, break. Then I am writing here container tags, and again I am going to write here, sorry, BR for changing the line to empty tag. Okay, now suppose you want to give left margin. So how you can give left margin? Again I am on the C. I am making space here because I am working only with body tag. So body top margin is equals to 72. Same here, left margin is equals to, now I am going to write here 144 means 2-inch margin. I have not done its center, so it will be in your left align, and from left space is left. Going to save the file. Okay, then clicking on the Firefox, reloading the page. What happened? This margin will be left. If I am going to remove the tag, see what happened. If I am going to remove this tag, मैंने यहाँ से कट कर दिया और सेव कर दिया. Now see the difference. Again I am going to open that. See, there is no margin in the left. Okay, so if you want to give margin in the left, what you have to use? You have to use with your body tag left margin. I am going to save my file, and after saving my file, going to click on Firefox, reload it. So this is your left margin and this is your top margin. Okay, now if question comes, how you can set top margins and left margins of web page. So you can write, we can set top margin and left margin of web page using your top margin and left margin attributes. Okay, using top margin and left margin attribute. Now this attribute is used with which tag? So using your top margin and left margin attribute with body tag. Okay, so this is our answer. How we are going to use top margin and left margin, or how we are going to set top margin and left margin. So using your top margin and left margin attribute with body tag, and 72 pixels is equals to your 1 inch. Okay, so we are going to continue with the remaining tags. So one more tag is left in this lesson, that is your HR tag. Okay, HR is your empty tag. Okay, now how to use HR tag? Suppose I want to draw one horizontal line. So I am going to use HR. Like I am going to use H1 center, computer size 72 pixels, is equals to 1 inch. I have put their center h1. Now I want to draw one horizontal line, so I am going to write here HR. That's all. HR. One horizontal line will be drawn. Save and then just reload it. See, line will be drawn from the margin. If I am going to remove the left margin, save the file, reload, line will be there. Okay. With HR you can use width is equals to, suppose you have 4. Save. We are going to increase that. Suppose here 65. So width will be your 65. If you want to draw more length line, you can increase it. Like if you are going to, same measurement is here, 72 pixels is equals to 1 inch. So I am going to draw here 200 or something layer 400 pixels. Save, then reload. So this is your 400 pixels line will be drawn. Okay. Then let us try size is equals to 2. See, changes in the line. You can increase that 5. Save. Okay, line is of your 5 size. Okay, so and one more thing you can change, like your color is equals to, suppose I am going to write here red. See, the line of red color will be drawn. Okay, so HR tag, with HR tag what attributes we can use? We can use width for the length of the ruler, size for the thickness of the ruler, and color of the ruler means your line. Okay, so in this chapter we have covered many tags, and I am going to write here which tags we have covered here. That's all, and we will be finishing with this chapter. So first we have used HTML tag. It is your container tag. Then we have used your head, then title. Okay, these are your container tags. Then body, P tag, paragraph tag, font tag. Okay, then your BR tag. Now here I am going to write BR, and BR will be printed, not printed. BR will be given you the line break. See the changes. Rest will be seen because they are container tag. They require 2 tags. We have to write through your quotation marks. Okay, HTML tag, then BR, then your head tag. So I am going to write in simple language. Like save नहीं किया हमने HTML tag, then we have used body tag, and then we have used head, title, font, B, I, U, bold, italic, underline. Okay. Then your P for paragraph tag. Then BR tag, HR tag. Okay. So these are the tags which we have learned in this lesson. How many tags are there? HTML in this lesson. HTML body, head, title, font, B, I, U, P, then BR and HR. Okay. So you practice at your home. And how you have to practice? How you have to practice? You have to open page number. You have to open page number 101 and their activity session is there. 2 lab sessions are there. So you read that and practice for that. Page number 101, 2 activity sessions are there, lab sessions are there. So do that. Click a picture of your web page and send it on my personal number. Goodbye for now. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye bye.